This tutorial shows you how to unlock and restore hidden chats back to your main chat list on WhatsApp for Android. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Next, scroll down through your chat list to the very bottom. Following that, you'll see a Locked Chats folder at the bottom. Now, tap on Locked Chats to open the folder. Moving forward, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Use your fingerprint, face unlock, or enter your passcode to access locked chats. Afterwards, you'll see all your locked and hidden chats displayed here. Long press on the chat you want to unhide. Tap on Unlock Chat or the unlock icon that appears. The chat will be moved back to your main chat list immediately. Repeat this for any other chats you want to unhide. Alternatively, if you want to disable the chat lock feature completely, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of WhatsApp. Tap on Settings from the menu. Now tap on Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Chat Lock. Toggle off the switch to disable chat lock entirely. All locked chats will be unhidden and returned to your main chat list. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you unhide locked chats on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.